Hey, and welcome to this new tutorial in Master Git and GitHub. So in this tutorial we will have a problem in pushing. So after you push your local repository to the GitHub repository, it will be two scenarios. The first, that everything goes okay and everything will push correctly, and second, that Git will give you some error. It's like this. So first let's check if we still connect to the Git repository, remote.v. we hit enter, we see that we still connected. So now let's just copy and paste this command, copy and then paste, and we will see that GitHub give us some problem. So how to solve this problem? This is what we will see. First of all, open a new Git bash. So where is it? Yeah, new. Just close this one, and now type ssh-kgen, hit enter. Enter the file which is safe. Yeah, hit enter, enter. Now go to this exactly path. Go to it. So let's go to C. After C, user. Where is user in here? I think it's this. No. Let's just copy and paste that. C user, copy and then paste. Hit enter. And after we go to this path, we will open this. Let's open it just with a notepad. Open with just block note. We will copy all of it, copy, and then we will go to our account in GitHub. We will go to setting, and we will search for CSS and GPGK. We will add new one, new SSH. Let's give it a title. Let's give it, for example, Windows. And here let's paste it, add new SSH. I will confirm our password. Now everything is working. Now it must work. So let's go back to our repository. Repository. This is the demo. Now let's open a new one and close this. New, and close this. So now let's check if it's still connected. Git remote-v. So now let's try to push it. Git push-u origin master. Let's hit enter. And now it tells us that everything is pushed correctly. So now if we refresh this page, we will see that our project is now in Git and GitHub. So this is all for this video. See you soon.